Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you guys 5 best digital product websites to sell your digital products on. So let's just jump right into it. Now, I did do a recent video, 10 best digital products to sell, link in the description for that video. So if you want to know where to sell your digital products on, here we go. This is Shopify. Shopify, of course, is what I recommend. Starting off, for me, I love Shopify. I know a lot of people think, oh, Shopify is expensive. Like, it can be. I'm not going to lie. You can start for free and then enjoy your first month for $1. So I obviously use Shopify. I sell digital products. It is for e-commerce, but in order to sell digital products on Shopify, all you have to do is go to Shopify App Store and download a app called Digital Downloads. So this is some of their plans. Mine actually used to be $30 a month. Now it's 40. I guess they was like, hey, friend, it's time to bump it up. You got to pay a little more. So these are the fees if you ever wanted to know. But you can try Shopify for free, like I said. They do have alternatives as well. You want to do the starter plan, that's $1 your first month, and then you can sell instantly through like social media. They probably more than likely just give you like a link to put in your bio. But a lot of brands do use Shopify, as you can see right here. And yeah, you can start your free trial. So you can do a lot of things on Shopify as well. You can customize a lot of things, analyze online marketing campaigns. How much does Shopify cost? As you can see, you could try Shopify 3 for 3 days, no credit card required. After your free trial expires, then you gotta choose a plan. So this is one option. And can you cancel your account at any time? And yes, you can cancel your account. Um, if you feel like it's not, working out for you. So that is Shopify, which I love using and hearing that cha-ching sound when I get a sale. The second platform that I've used before is Gumroad. This is one of the first, or not the first, the second. One of the first websites I ever used was Big Cartel, which is obviously not digital. Like I would sell digital products on Big Cartel, which I don't recommend because obviously it's like for like inventory base. I would send the digital products by email manually. Y'all, yes, manually. Like I will get a sale and then I'll send the digital product to their email by myself, like no platform. Manually, which is hard, right? So now at this day and age, there's websites, platforms you could just use and they'll send it for you automatically, instantly. So that's why I'm on Shopify. But yeah, Gumroad is another option. It's free. Gumroad is free if you're looking for a more affordable option. They just take a cut once you get a sale. So, which is pretty cool. And you can sell a lot of things on Gumroad, like courses, you can do memberships, all of that. So, if you're wondering how do you get paid, you pretty much just get paid either direct deposit, you add your bank or PayPal. That's the same thing with Shopify. And then what are the fees? The fees, like I said, they just take a small percentage of every sale, so they only make money when you do. So I definitely recommend Gumroad. That is a second one. Third option will be Beacons. I'm not sure if you guys heard about this one. It's pretty popular on like Instagram, TikTok. They are free as well. They give you like a link in bio. I have used them before. Most of my sales actually came from Shopify. I'm going to be honest. These are their plans, but like I said, it's free. If you scroll down, it says right here, it's free to sign up. Customized link in bio. You can sell products, and there's only a 9% transaction fee. And then yeah, they have different plans, as you can see, where you can do a little bit more, and they're comparing other plans as well. So they do have the free option where you can just add your digital products. And yeah, I've used this before. It's pretty easy. It's a pretty easy type of link in bio or website. I would say it's not really a website. I think this is more of like just like a link. This is just like a link. Gumroad is sort of like a link. You don't have to design too much, so that's where Gumroad and Beacons will be a little easier. Shopify, you're gonna have to design like a whole website. I've been on Shopify for like 7 years. I'm a Shopify girly, so I know how to design on there. The fourth one is Stand Store. I'm not sure if you guys heard about this. Kind of like Beacon's, pretty popular. I believe they have a free plan. I am not sure. This is how it will look. This is how low-key Beacons look as well. You get like multiple links. So let me scroll down and show you. These are other creators who are using Stand Store. Like I said, it's easier, I guess, to just put a link in your bio than designing a whole website, which I get. So that might be a little bit easier for you guys. And I'm sure this looks familiar. I'm sure you probably see this all over the internet. people in their digital marketing. That's another series for another day. But yeah, that's just how that looks, and they are free. So not just another link in bio. You can run your business all in one place. Courses, digital products, webinars, and yeah, so you can start your trial. No coding needed. Like I said, this is for the same for Beacons and Gumroad. Just a real quick tap, real quick like link in bio type of thing. So you can try Stand Store for free for 14 days. Um, Let me see. I'm trying to see where is the pricing. Okay, so it is a little it's a little pricey. Here we go right here. Creative versus Creative Pro. So yeah, okay. So obviously this is a little bit more pricey. Next option is Podia. I have not used Podia, but I don't know, a couple people use that as well. You can also sell digital products on here, and this is another free one. So Gumroad is free, Beacons is free, and Podia is free. None of these this video is not sponsored, by the way. Shopify needs to sponsor me, but it's okay. Free, like I said, you can get a website, you can do coaching, digital downloads, community, email, all that. So they have a 10% fee. That's how much they take. And obviously the next plan will be $33 a month and then $75 a month. So I really do recommend Shopify if you can afford it, just because the analytics are top tier. If you can't afford Shopify, you can do Gumroad or Beacons. This is also free. So you can run emails. So yeah, you can cancel at any time. That's how that works. You also you need a type of website or a link in bio to sell digital products. These are the 5 platforms that I do recommend. And then yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below. There's more courses, free digital product courses in the link in bio. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.